Now this is not strictly an SEO topic, but it's one I've been asked so many times I thought I'd include it anyway. A lot of people say, well, where can I get good, free, legal images for my websites? If you do a search, you'll find lots of these. The trouble is knowing which ones are legitimate and which ones aren't. So a well-regarded source for free, high-quality images is a website called Pixabay. So in this example here, I've just searched using the phrase sunsets, and as you can see, there's lots of beautiful images. You have to check because the policies do change over time, but at the time of writing, I'm fairly sure you can use these images on either a personal website or indeed a commercial website, but do check just to be on the safe side. As I say, Pixabay is just one of many different examples, but the trouble is if you just simply search for some sort of image library like this, some of them have ripped off images that have been, should we say, borrowed from elsewhere, but Pixabay has a high reputation and it's one you can trust. So this is what Pixabay looks like. If you just go and search for something, I don't know, we'll try space. As you can see, lots of beautiful images here. So let's say you wanted, say, this one here, you just simply click on it. If I wanted to download this image, I just simply click on free download, and notice you can have different resolutions. So you can have low resolution, slightly different shapes. So if you wanted ultra high resolution, so this is like 5616 pixels by 3744 pixels, larger file, obviously 3.5 megs. Or if you wanted, you could have this, which is standard HD resolution. And if I wanted to download it, I'd just simply click here and I could download it, and that'd be it. In order to download it, by the way, I had to sign up for this, but it's a free sign up. It's just the usual sort of details. You supply it to them, after which you can download and use any of the images as you see fit. If I click here where it says images, you can select different types of images. So you can have photos, vector graphics, illustrations, or videos. So I mouse over this. There you are, you can have a video. This one here is a sponsored one, so you'd have to pay for that. Whereas this one here is a free one. Again, over here, let's have a look. So if you look at the details for this one here, this is 4K. Most of these are HD, whereas 4K is a much larger file, but it's a much higher resolution. And let's go and have a look at some others here, just find something interesting. Maybe this one. So if I wanted to download that video again, I just simply click on it. Obviously you have to check out the license here, and it says free for commercial use, no attribution required, which means you can just use it as you see fit. And if you look at the image there, I'll just mouse over it so you can see the bar at the bottom as it runs through. As you can see, quite a beautiful image, or beautiful video in fact. There we go, the sun just set. So again, if I went to where it said free download, again I can adjust the resolution, and obviously if you go for the very highest resolution you're going to have an enormous file, so possibly on a website that wouldn't really be appropriate. This one here is still pretty big, 640 by 360, you're down to 2.6 megabytes, which is kind of more acceptable. But as I say, a great source of different types of pictures and also videos now. Now do remember that all images are covered by copyright. At the end of the day, someone created an image, someone took a picture, whatever, or filmed a video, and they own the copyright. In a lot of cases you have to buy images. In the examples that we just saw from Pixabay, the great thing is that there's a license there that allows you to use them on your websites, and you don't have to put a message saying this picture was supplied by so-and-so, and you don't have to pay for the picture or the video. What you don't want to do is just simply go into Google, find a nice picture, download it and use it on your website, because that means effectively you've just stolen a picture. And as you can see in the second to last bullet point there, The big commercial stock image companies have teams of people scouring the internet looking for people who've basically breached their copyright, and they can be pretty mean. So you do not want to steal pictures, because if the original stock image company found that you'd stolen one of their pictures, they would basically slap some sort of lawsuit on you or fine you or something. So you're in for trouble. So again, stick to the rules.